Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, thank you. Please consider subscribing and turn on notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Today's tutorial will be on how to make how to gather your fabric directly on your sewing machine without a gathering foot. And if that sounds like something you are interested in, please continue watching. So this is the net I'm using. I have 5 years of net, and the length of the net that I want to cut out will be 17 and a half. I'm using the gather for a 4-year-old child. So now I already mark out a straight line, and I will be marking my 17 and a half from that line. So after marking it, I will cut it out now. So this is it after I have cut it out. So I'm going to place the one I cut out on the net again to cut out another pieces. So you can go ahead to cut out another length. I still have enough net, but I will not be doing that. So this is the two nets that I've cut out. So I will look for the side of it now and join it together like this. Then take it to my sewing machine and go and sew it by 1/2 inch down. This is it. After I have done that, so I'm going to trim out the excess on that part to have a neat edge. In total now I will have 10 yards together. If I measure it now, I have 10 yards. I will turn it for you to see. This is what we have now. So I'll go ahead to go and gather it on my sewing machine. So here is how to gather. Now you are going to mark 2 inches and you will start gathering from that part. I'm doing this because we need zip allowance on that part. That is why I'm leaving 2 inches, because if you gather the 2 inches, you are going to have issues when you want to join it. So make sure you leave 2 inches or any allowance you added for your zip allowance. Now you start gathering and you'll just be picking it. You'll be doing it as if you want to pleat, but this is not a big pleat, just a tiny pleat. You are going to be picking it. Just watch what I'm doing. That is how you are going to gather it. Make sure before you do this, you already know the waist circumference or where you want to put it. So the waist circumference I'm working with is 24 inches. So I added 2 inches for the zipper allowance. So I'll be gathering the length of it will be 24 inches. That is what we have after I finish gathering it. Just be picking it gently, pick it and stitch. When you get to the other hand, make sure you leave 2 inches as well. Make sure you leave 2 inches as well. So I'll be doing that, and that is all for the for how to gather. So easy, you don't need any food to do this. So this is it after I have finished after I have finished gathering it. As you can see, it's very full. In total, I gathered 10 yards of the net. In total, I used 5 yards, so I cut out the 5 into 2. That's why we join it. So that's all for the tutorial. As you can see, we are already having it. It's already stand without even adding any hard net. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your family and friends. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.